So you want to know how you can record your computer screen? Well, you're in the right place, because in this video I'm going to share with you a quick tip and a tool that's going to help you with the click of a button be able to record your screen and share it on your social media platforms with your friends or in an email. So stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Bob Brown here. Listen, if you're an active subscriber, I want to say welcome back. If you're new to my channel and you want to get more tips, tools, and training on how to leverage social media to grow your network marketing business, then you're in the right place. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, click on the bell notification, and that way you're going to get notified every time I put out a new video so that you can stay on top of your social media marketing. So as I mentioned before, a friend of mine introduced me to this piece of software here that is actually a really cool piece of software. If you're looking for an alternative to being able to capture your screen, to do PowerPoint videos, to do training videos, those kind of things, this is a great little tool by a company that's just recently come out. And this is a free piece of software. It's not OBS. But this piece of software will actually help you to be able to, with the click of a button on your Chrome browser, to be able to start it up and to be able to start doing screen capture and then do some editing modifications to that video and send it out to your friends. So let's go ahead and jump on the computer and I'll show it to you and tell you all about it. All right, hey, how's it going? We are on my computer right now. I'm getting ready to share with you a piece of software that will help you to actually share and record your screen, and you can be able to then take that and share it to your social media or to your audience in either email, or you can actually upload this to YouTube. So there's a lot of different things that you can actually do with this. Now, I was introduced to this piece of software by a good friend of mine, Gavin Mountford. And Gavin is was sharing, he does a lot of screen capture videos, and he's just recently started using this particular platform, which I thought was pretty cool. Now, before we jump into this, I want to just take just a minute and share with you kind of the other ways that I've been using screen capture before. So typically what I do is I use Camtasia for a large majority of what I do. So when I'm ever doing my videos, when I'm doing video editing, I use Camtasia for that. It's a piece of software that I purchased and just become very familiar with. I love the different features that it has. It does a lot more when you're actually doing screen capture, recording, editing, those kind of things. So it's really powerful as far as that goes. The other software that I use is the OBS Studio. So if I'm doing live video that I'm actually streaming to either YouTube or to Facebook, I'll use the OBS software, and it's good. This is a free platform as well, and it's a great tool if you're going to be doing live videos with. So that's another tool that you can use. But like I said, this was a tool that I was just introduced to, which is called Loom, and what it allows you to do is to very quickly be able to create a screencast video that you can either share with teammates or you can upload to YouTube. So there's a lot of different uses that you can actually use screen capture for. And so let me just kind of walk through this real quick, and it'll show you a couple of things. So they're saying that it's an extra flexible communication tool with endless use cases. And so there's a lot of different things that you can actually use for this. So they use it for consulting, customer services, for education, engineering, leadership training. Let's say you've got a network marketing team and you want to be able to train them, and you've got a quick video that you want to put out. With the click of a button, you can start this software, do your video, and then share it to them almost instantaneously. So that's another cool thing here. So if you want to use marketing, products, personal, so there's a lot of different things that you can use for this. A lot of companies are using this. It's really simple, and this is one of the cool things about this is that if you use Chrome, Loom has a Chrome extension that you can put into your plugins there, and it will actually put a button right up top on your Chrome extensions. All you have to do is click on that button, and it'll start the recorder right away and allow you to begin to start recording your screen and sharing your content with other people. And then once you're finished with that, it's really easy too. There's a lot of cool things that you can actually do. So there's kind of a mini editor in this. And I can't show you this right now because I'm on it, but I'll do an extension to this video so you can kind of see how once you close the video out, what you can do as far as editing goes, adding comments, sharing it right away. So there's some things in that. But while I'm on here, I just want to show you this. So
one of the cool features of this is that, and what I really liked about this is a lot of the other screen capture videos give you a square box. There's no real option to do anything else with. But I like this round video viewer actually a lot better than the square one. So there's some cool things about this. You can move this video player or the video screen of you anywhere you want on the screen here. So that's kind of cool. You can actually change the size of that. You can make it smaller. So if you've got more of your screen that you want to show, that you can do that. Or if you don't have a lot to show and you want to be the central focus for a minute or two, you can actually do that as well in using this to change that up. So, and then you can move that around as well. So there's some cool things with that. If you want to hide, these are the players. These will actually show up on your video too. If you don't want to see all of those there, you can actually hide those. You're going to need to be able to get into that to actually stop your video though, but at least kind of clears your screen up just. So once you finish shooting the video, it's going to open up in this mini video editor right here. And so there's a couple things in here that I want to point out to you that are pretty cool. Drop that down there. So if you have your video, it's completed, and let's say there was certain parts in that video that you didn't want to have in there, you could actually go into here, and this will actually enable you to be able to cut out certain sections of that video. So here's your timeline. You can actually move that around there, and you can actually cut those pieces out of your video if you didn't want them in there. Now, you can't add anything to this, but you can delete sections of this. So we're not going to do anything to that video. It was a good video. Right now, with the video being completed, you can actually give the video permissions. So you can actually set those with a link can see this video, or anyone with a password can see this. So you can actually set up either one of those that have the link that can't actually see it if you don't want them to see it. You can actually move your videos to a certain folder. You can set that up, and right away you're going to be able to add a description underneath the video. So if you want to put things in there that would describe what the video is about, you can actually do that in this short text editor here as well. Right away you get your link up here to the right. You can actually send that link directly to Twitter, to Facebook. You can email that out. You can actually get the HTML code on that. That's the embed code if you wanted to put it on your website that you can do. And then there's a place for comments as well in here. So this is a pretty cool little tool that works very well. And once you're all finished, you can find your completed videos right up here by clicking on the My Videos folder, and that will show your videos right there. Now you can actually go back and edit those videos after they're completed as well. So that's another cool feature. So this is just a great little tool a little bit. So that's it in a nutshell. I thought this was really cool. Again, thanks Gavin for sharing this with me. A great tool. Get in it, play around with it, share some videos with your friends, and see how it actually works for you. So if you're looking for a free piece of software that can help you do some screen capture very, very quickly with very little setup to it, then Loom would probably be a great alternative for you. So I hope you like this. If you got some value in it, like, comment, and share. I'm going to leave some links below this video as well if you want to check out Camtasia or OBS, and then you can also get your hands on Loom as well. So again, the OBS and Loom are both free. Camtasia is actually a paid subscription for that. So
hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some value in it. If you did, do me a favor, like, comment, and share. Man, give it to somebody that might be able to use this as well, that's been looking for software and they don't want to pay a lot of money for it. This is the trick for it. So if you want to get more videos like this, go ahead and click on that link right up there, and that way you can subscribe to my channel and you're going to get these videos as soon as I put them out. Also, if you want to check out my latest video, you can actually click on that link right there. So listen, I hope you have a great day. I'll be talking to you in the next video. Bye now.